Hello, guys. How are you all? Good to see you again, guys. So tell me which type of video you want. And today I'm excited to know what you want, which video, which type of concept do you want from my side. I'm just asking what I need to update in my channel and is there anything wrong in my channel? Just comment me in my comment box, then I can know which type of video you're rating for me from my side. And is there anything else than that? Means yes, it's there. Uh, Guys, don't forget to comment down because I need to know which type of video you want to see from me. So that was my first request from your side. And guys, uh, I want to start again my English words. I want to explain my English words. Means I want to give some meanings related to the hard words in English. So if you want that also, please comment me. And nothing else to talk with you, but I'm just thinking what should I talk with you. Um, Is there anything, guys? Is there anything else you want to listen? Anything related to stories like English meanings and English, speaking English thoroughly, guys? Is there any improvement in my English? Just comment down about me and how was my videos and how was my speaking skills. Is there anything to improve in myself to speak English fluently and flawlessly? And of course, I'm just preparing my mouth, my tongue to talk in another language. Of course, it was a little bit hard, but I'm trying to improve myself. And guys, you want any interview based questions? It means question answers. Just you can type the question in chat gpt, then you will definitely get the answer. No, I'm not just going to explain about the interview because there is a lot of members to explain about the interview. Is there any, I want to try anything new that no one didn't do till now in YouTube. So I want to think different, I want to do something different content, but I'm not able to doing that. Learning English is one of the most important thing in our lives. In today's lives, learning English is much more important, and people are saying that English is not a language. English is a knowledge, but it's not the thing. English is just a language. If we are speaking in Tamil, let's go to Tamil Nadu. The people speak Tamil because they from the childhood onwards they are listening the Tamil language, so they can easily uh, mold the language. But it was not easy to learn the language within the span of 1 month or 2 months. We can thoroughly learn because language is like a space. There is no end for it. There is a lot of words, whether it is English, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, or any language. Of course, Indian languages are so hard as compared to the English, but we need to learn English. Related to our Indian languages, English is so much easy to speak. After listening, guys, listen. Listening is the best important point in English because uh, while we are seeing a child in front of us, he always listen. He always observe us what they was doing, what they was talking, what they were seeing, how the people are reacting for the questions, and they will see our hand gestures. Uh, we want to become a child while we are going to learn anything, whether it is a language or any other skill. We need to observe it, we need to listen it, we need to see how the person was saying. And nowadays YouTube is the best platform to learn a lot of languages or a lot of English interviews and English vlogs. A lot are there. So if you have any doubts, we have Google and any other platforms, but I want to try different than other this. um, Comment me if you want anything related to. uh, I will just try. I don't know how far I will give a good result for you, but I will definitely try, and I will definitely post a video related to that comment. Okay, so that's it, guys. Now it's enough. There is a lot. Uh, I was spoken a lot. Just I want to get relaxed. And guys, one another thing that I want to tell about the English language, while you are speaking in front of someone, uh, don't feel shy, because I'm also the person who feels shy in front of someone. When I'm speaking in English, I know that I will make mistakes. uh, Whether they will laugh because of my mistakes. No, it's good to speak in English in front of others, because if you have they they try to solve your doubts, the other people, because everybody's knowledge was different. And even though they can't know, then they will type in Google, they understand it, and they will tell you, they will try to tell you about that word or anything else. So guys, first time I'm talking this much with a lot of speed, but it's okay. That's fine. um, don't feel low, guys, because don't low your confidence level, because um, everybody's language was different, everybody's learning uh, way was different. So try to make your path on your own way, don't depend on others. Yeah, last time I posted a video, it mean 2 days back I posted a video which is related to my uh, job opportunity. But I felt very low on that day, um, because I'm not getting a job, that's why. Of course there is a lot of uh, guys like me, they are not even getting interviews like me. But sometimes I feel sad, but it's okay. It's I'm not getting a job, that's why. Of course there is a lot of uh, guys like me, they are not even getting interviews like me. But sometimes I feel sad, but it's okay. It's good, because life is like a mm, life is like a like what we say, ugadi pachadi. Okay, I will delete this clip. Okay, guys, thank you for listening my waste words. No, it's not waste words. It's good word, but I'm thinking it's waste words. As of now, need to know whether I am talking waste words or good words from you, and don't stop learning English, guys. This was my request, and this was my order. Anything else what you want, you can choose both. In that both you can choose anything, but I will always tell. I don't request, and I don't order someone, you should learn this, you should learn this. No, I'm not like that person, but I will tell. I don't force anybody. If you want to learn, just learn, because learning other language is always good. So try to listen, try to um, keep on r- um, reading reading English books and learning new words, then you will become definitely a perfect communicator in English. So, guys, that's it. Once again, thank you so much for listening with a lot of patience, and don't stop learning English, guys. Thank you.